In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a second pipeline in Pipedrive. Having multiple pipelines is really useful if you manage different types of sales processes, client journeys, or service workflows. For example, you might have one pipeline for new sales and another for renewals, onboarding, or upsells. Setting up a second pipeline helps you keep everything organized and makes your reporting much clearer. First, log into your Pipedrive account and look at the left-hand sidebar. From here, go to Deals. This is the main area where you see your deals laid out in stages, usually as a series of columns across the screen. If you're only using one pipeline right now, you'll see just that one pipeline displayed. Next, move your attention to the top center of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu that shows the name of your current pipeline. Click this pipeline drop-down. This menu is where you can switch between existing pipelines, and it's also where you'll create new ones. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says New Pipeline with a plus sign. Go ahead and select that. This is what starts the process of creating your second pipeline. Now you'll be prompted to name your pipeline and add stages. Take a moment to think about what this pipeline is specifically for. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your team know exactly when to use it. For example, you might name it something like Renewals Pipeline or Onboarding Pipeline, depending on your process. After naming the pipeline, set up the stages. These are the columns your deals will move through from start to finish. Think about the real steps your deals usually take. You can add stages that match each important milestone in that process. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. You can always come back later to rename stages, change the order, or add new ones as your workflow evolves. Once you're happy with the pipeline name and the stages you've added, look to the top right of the screen and click Save Changes. This step is important because it confirms your new pipeline and makes it available in the pipeline dropdown. After saving, you'll be able to switch between your original pipeline and this new one using that same dropdown at the top center. From here on, you can start adding deals directly into your second pipeline and manage them separately, keeping each process clean and easy to track.